At Rally Point Boneyard, you'll provide air cover while they locate the chemicals and hunt down Makarov.
Copy, actual.
Shadow 1. Ground team is holding at RP Boneyard to the west. We're marked with eye roads. Call visual.
Copy. Stand by. Gunner, confirm visual on the ground team.
Copy, visual. Marking.
Ground team, we have visual on you.
Copy. Our target's at the two hangars. We move on your signal.
Marking threats in the boneyard.
Ground, hold position. We'll clear the area. Gunner, lay down cover fire. Take out those threats.
On the trigger.
Time to get to work, Shadows. Tony knows we're here.
EKIA. Reds to the northeast, crew. Coney's maneuvering near the comms tower.
Gunner, get eyes on that tower now.
Got a SAM site near the tower.
Gunner, drop a missile on that SAM site. Coney is targeting us. Hit that SAM site with a missile.
Good impact. Target destroyed.
Check south. Coney's moving into the boneyard.
Shadow 1. Ground team is in contact. Send fire.
Copy that. We're on it.
Ground team is pushing through the boneyard. Keep us covered.
Roger that. Shadows watching. They thought they were taking cover.
Contact! Shadow troops in contact. Call for fire now.
Shadow copies. We're on it. Ground team, you're clear to move.
Copy that. We're moving up.
Cover him, Shadow.
One Coney is launching a plane. West end of the tarmac.
Copy. Coney jet.
Marking target.
Hit that jet before it's airborne. Crew, let's get on it. He gets airborne, we got big problems.
Enemy jet destroyed.
Air superiority, Shadows.
Enemy pushing across the tarmac.
Ground, multiple Coney on the tarmac. Get to cover. We'll clear your path.
Copy. Ground team is holding southwest.
Keep that ground team secure. Do not fire on the hangars.
On the trigger. That dude had some hang time on him. Enemies incoming.
Ground, you're clear to move.
Copy. Ground team is pushing to hangar 1.
Gunner, cover him into the target building. Do not fire on the hangars until the chemicals are located. We want to hand Makarov a win.
Ground teams reach Hangar 1. Moving internal.
Got threats coming out of those structures south side of the base. Marking.
Gunner, do not let Coney get near that hangar.
Got him covered.
Shadow 1. First hangar is clear. Searching for the chemicals now.
Copy that.
Firing. Enemies closing in on hangar 1.
Get some.
We're taking RPG fire!
RPG located. Tower south of hangar 1.
Yup.
Shadow, neutralize those RPGs. Do not let Coney destroy the hangars.
Threats at hangar 1.
Copy that.
Actual to ground team, give me a sit rep.
Hangar 1 is a dry hole, actual. No chemicals.
Our intel's solid. Makarov's entire chemical stockpile is on that base. If they're not in that hangar, they'll be in the next one. Just be sure before you push on.
Copy. Keep searching the hangar. Shadow 1.
We're not going anywhere, Kilo.
There.
All stations, negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 is a dry hole.
Ground team push to Hangar 2. Shadow, keep them covered.
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy. Moving to hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars. Take them out.
Guns, guns, guns.
Effective fire!
Shadow 1, take out those mortars!
Put some fucking chalk around that.
Next one!
Negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 is a dry hole.
Ground team push to Hangar 2. Shadow, keep them covered.
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy, moving to Hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars. Take them out.
Effective fire!
Shadow 1, take out those mortars!
Put some fucking chalk around that.
Next one!
Negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 is a dry hole.
Ground team push to Hangar 2. Shadow, keep them covered.
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy, moving to Hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars. Take them out.
Effective fire!
Shadow 1, take out those mortars!
Next one's gonna be on us!
Negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 is a dry hole.
Ground team push to Hangar 2. Shadow, keep them covered.
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy, moving to Hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars. Take them out. Put some fucking chalk around that.
Get effective fire!
Shadow 1, take out those mortars!
Next one!
Negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 is a dry hole.
Ground team push to Hangar 2. Shadow, keep them covered.
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy, moving to Hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars. Take them out.
Took out their mortar team.
Fucking Makarov. He destroys whole base of chemicals. They'll be in the next hangar. He might be too.
RPG fire coming from east of the hangar.
Hit those RPGs.
Negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 is a dry hole.
Ground team push to Hangar 2. Shadow, keep them covered.
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy, moving to Hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars. Take them out.
Took out their mortar team.
Fucking Makarov. He destroys whole base to keep those chemicals. They'll be in the next hangar. He might be too.
RPG fire coming from east of the hangar.
Put some fucking chalk around that. Hit those RPGs.
All stations, Hangar 2 is clear. Be advised, we've located the chemicals.
Makarov?
Negative, he's not here.
It could be close. Ground, neutralize those chemicals. Shadow, maintain overwatch. Keep the ground team secure till the job's done.
Copy that, Gold Eagle.
All stations, be advised. Intel's picking up Coney communications from off-base. They're scrambling armored vehicles and reinforcements. Expect heavy contact.
Copy that, actual.
Enemy tank, north side of the base.
Shadow 1, do not let that tank destroy those chemicals.
Got the General. Eliminate that tank. Drop a missile on that fucker.
Enemy tanks destroyed.
Good. Hate those fucking things.
Enemy vehicle to the north. Copy, marking.
Gunner, target those vehicles.
They're pushing to hangar 2. Enemy helos taken off from the northwest. They are incoming. I got him. Helos marked.
Gunner, knock those birds out of the sky.
Going hot.
Look at them. They don't know what hit them.
Enemy pushing into the hangar.
Place in your damn base, Gunner. Good shoot.
Missiles incoming.
You can run, but you'll just die tired.
tower.
Good hit. Stay her down.
Enemy tank approaching to our north.
Shadow, don't let that tank hit the chemicals. Take it out.
You know what to do, Gunner. Whew, love me some quick trigger.
Great, enemy vehicles incoming.
They're pushing in through the fuel depot to our north.
All stations, Coney's mounting up for re-attack. Let's bury him.
This is Coney's foothold in Urzikstan. Wipe it off the map.
Shadow 1, be advised. Doors opening on a building to the west end of the runway, near the boneyard.
Enemy jets coming from the west end of the runway.
Crew, let's get on it. He gets airborne, we got big problems. That's what I'm talking about.
Jets taking off. Threats outside the hangar.
Gunner, take out the jet.
Shoot in front of him.
Keep him out of the hangar.
Enemy jets in the air.
Press for contact.
Too late. Enemy missiles incoming. We're heading for...
Shadow 1, be advised. Doors opening on a building to the west end of the runway, near the boneyard.
Enemy jets coming from the west end of the runway.
Crew, let's get on it. That's what I'm talking about. He gets airborne, we got big problems. Good shot.
Jets taking off.
Gunner, take out the jet.
Shoot in front of him. Enemy jets in the air. Threats outside the hangar.
Press for contact.
Shadow 1, be advised. Doors opening on a building to the west end of the runway, near the boneyard.
Enemy jets coming from the west end of the runway.
Crew, let's get on it. He gets airborne, we got big problems.
Jets taking off. Threats outside the hangar.
That's right, motherfuckers.
Jet number 2 is down.
Keep him out of the hangar. Good shot.
Missile incoming.
That's what I'm talking about. Good hit. Stay her down. Nice.
Loading round.
They're cooked.
All stations, this is actual. SIGINT confirms Makarov is on the base. He's gonna make a play for the chemicals. Ground team, are you ready to exfil?
Negative. Chemicals are still active. We need more time.
Copy that. Keep them secure. Graves, maintain overwatch. You see Makarov, you put him down.
Check Gold Eagle. Shadow 1's ready and waiting.
Enemy helo incoming from the northeast.
That's Makarov. Shadow, gun that son of a bitch down.
Copy that. He's not going anywhere. Time to finish this, Shadows.
Copy that. Guns ready.
Helo's trying to take out the hangar. We need close there.
Great, shoot him down. Don't let him hit the chemicals.
Taking fire from the helo.
Enemy helo coming down.
We got your ass! Hook, line, and fucking sinker. All stations, enemy bird is down. Vladimir Makarov is EKIA.
Copy that. Chemicals rendered safe. Pushing out of the hangar now.
Graves, once ground is clear, have your man drop a missile on that hangar. Bury Makarov and his fucking chemicals.
Copy that.
Shadow 1, ground team is clear. Level the hangar.
Gunner, send it.
effect. Hangers down.
That's how we get her done, Shadows. Thus be done, you Vladimir.
Three things you cannot outrun in this world, folks. Death, taxes, and me. Pleasure doing business with you boys and girls. Actual, I'm RTB. Out here.
Roger that, Shadow. That's some big league work out there. Blue skies, son.
Appreciate the assist, Shadow.
6 to all stations. That kill is not confirmed. I say again, that kill is not confirmed. We need to search the site for PID on Makarov.
Gold Eagle actual to all stations. Your orders are to stand down. We got nothing but fire and brimstone out there, and that's all the confirmation we need. 6, go to 1.
Go for 6.
It's over, John. We nailed that bastard to hell and gone.
Yeah, that's what we said about your little shadow graves, yeah?